Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about index function. We can say index function is the combination of HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP, because with this function we can find a specific thing in a table. For example, here I want to find the discount, the customer category gold and discount category D, and here I just write my formula equal sign index. After that I select the array, after that comma, so after that I select the number of row, the row number, so which is D1 2 3 4, it's 4, comma, and here it's gold, it's 3 1 2 3 3, and close the bracket and enter. You can see it's 10.50 and this one. Yes, so we can combine index with match function. For example, here I can type here equal sign index. After that I just select the array, comma, after that I write, instead of 4 or 3, I just write in match function, match, select the lookup value, I select this D, comma, after that this one, comma, 0, close the bracket, and comma, the next one, I write match again, select the value which is gold, comma, after that I select these headers, comma, 0, close the bracket once, twice, and enter. So I change it to a percentage. Yeah, so it's the same. You can see it works the same. We can combine 2 or more functions together. So when I click here, you can see this, and here these are the same, and here I want to apply this here. Now I want to use the index function to find the discount for each order number, and I just write here equal sign index. After that I should select the area which is here. When I select this, I should make it absolute. F4, comma, I come back here to my first page, I select the row, comma, after that the column, I should make this one also absolute, close the bracket and enter. So after that I just come here and double click. You can see it works magically, and from here I can change it. You can see the movement here. Yeah, that's it about the index function. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.